Some people who are thinking about doing the course, a lot of people I talk to are a little bit anxious, or particularly as an adult learner, I think it can be a little, anxiety provoking going to learn something new, anything new, but particularly singing. How was it for you? How did you find it?
Yeah, I agree with all of that. So I always wanted to sing, and I saw the course come up, and I was approaching 30 and wanted a thing. You know how people are like fishermen or whatever. I wanted a thing, and really kind of randomly just did it, booked it, thought I'll probably never go, but I'll book it anyway. I can remember telling a friend that I was going to do it, and she laughed, and I was like, oh, like, and that made me feel even worse. I was like, I don't know whether it feels a little bit vain to
You know
think,
what?
I think I can sing. Like,
I do hear that sometimes, that people, yeah.
I did feel like that, but people had told me I could sing, like in jobs I'd done and stuff. So yeah, I booked it, and it was quite far in advance. I had a long time to sweat on it. And I didn't know what to expect. I prepared an audition song in case I needed to do that.
You don't need to do that. You
Absolutely don't need to do that. And
it's for beginners.
Yeah,
beginners,
absolutely. Yeah. So I came to the first session, and Dee met me at the gate, and instantly felt at ease. Came into, I think there was maybe
good.
5 other people in my class.
Yeah.
Dee had odd socks on, which was really stuck with me, because I was like, I could be friends with this person. She's down to, no, because in my mind, I don't know what I thought a singing teacher looked like, but you were going to be very teachery, maybe in like a pencil skirt, like.
Oh wow.
It was all going to be like quite
if that's
official.
What you're expecting. I'm going to disappoint you.
Cue the odd socks. So yeah, straight away I felt at ease. Didn't have to audition. I don't think you even asked me kind of what level I thought I was at or anything. And I didn't know what level anyone else was at. And yeah,
everyone's a beginner.
Yeah, and
everyone's beginners. Yeah.
So I wasn't asked to do anything on my own, which is what I was terrified of doing. Everything was done together, and yeah, I didn't feel judged by anyone. I loved it.
That's
from the
really
first
good.
time, and I couldn't wait to come for the second one. When I had no intention for coming to a second one, like I was totally set on, like, I'll just go and do the first one and then I've done it.
And then you've ticked your box for your 30th birthday, and then mission accomplished.
And however many years later, I'm still here.
Oh.